Welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into one of the best bathroom apothecary jars available. The 4-pack Qtip holder dispenser with bamboo lids. If you're looking to organize your bathroom essentials in style, this might just be the perfect solution for you. Let's start with what you get in this set. It includes 4 10-ounces apothecary jars made from durable, BPA-free plastic. Each jar comes with a beautifully crafted bamboo lid that adds a touch of elegance to your space. What I really like is the inclusion of labels for easy organization. No more guessing what's inside each jar. The design is both functional and attractive. The jars resemble glass but are more resilient, making them safer in a bathroom setting. The bamboo lids, with their rounded bead handles, not only look great but also feel smooth to touch. They blend seamlessly into any bathroom decor, from modern to traditional. Practically speaking, these jars are perfect for storing a variety of items like cotton balls, swabs, pads, and even small accessories like hair ties or floss picks. Their 10 ounces capacity strikes a balance between holding enough while not taking up too much space on your countertop or shelf. To wrap it up, the 4-pack Qtip holder dispenser with bamboo lids is not just about storage. It's about enhancing your bathroom decor while staying organized. If you're interested in picking up a set for yourself, check out the link in the description below. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this review, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more product critiques. Until next time, stay organized and stylish.